So I installed both of the cameras, so one in the front and then one in the back, and then I got my other camera here. And actually I've been using it for a while and I'm quite impressed and very happy with the performance of everything I get from the app, and also the notifications have been great. Not only does it present it very well here with previews of what it saw, but also sends it to my watch as a preview, which is great too, because I can just glance at it to see if it's just somebody walking by or if it's actually somebody coming towards the house, kind of like the mailman. And as we get the alerts, they add up here, and then if you click, you can see, I'll go back here a few days and show an example here like the mailman. So if you click on it, it should pull it up. There it goes. So that's him going back to the car there, and that's him coming. So it triggers pretty quickly. It gets the person pretty easily, as it is set to human detection is what I have it. And it does get a few, as you guys can see here. Looks like about 15 or so a day. Even with that many, the battery on the front camera still lasts a good couple months, which is impressive. On the back one here, I have it mostly turned off for notifications, but it's kind of just monitoring here the backyard, and that's a live view there. This one with the notifications on lasts pretty much forever, so it doesn't see much, especially in human detection. But I also notice when it's this far away, it doesn't track the human itself as well either. So but yeah, overall it works very well and very impressive, and the app has plenty of features and all kinds of different things you can do and adjust, obviously, here in the settings. And you got plenty of stuff here. So yeah, we can see the battery's at 55, and it's been over a month, I think, since I charged it. So yeah, they easily last 2 months for my situation. I can see the battery actually lasting even longer with less detection, or if you maybe go into optimal battery, but I have it here on custom with these settings. So yeah, again, very happy with the Eufy. And if I needed more cameras, I can just add them to here. And also probably the best part about this whole app is that since it's localized, there's no subscriptions or anything like that, which is great. And when you are on LTE away from the house, obviously it sends you everything the same as you would have it here. And with that said, I've used different brands and companies, and so far this one has been the best. So yeah, if you're looking for a great security system that's upgradable, definitely look into the Eufy. Especially the 2C Pros are a great deal for what you get. Great quality, compact cameras, last a long time, and just a great value in my opinion overall.